The Zimbabwe National Army ZNA has dismissed a statement purportedly issued by individuals claiming to be soldiers planning a coup against President Idi Mnangagwa. Sanavina mashoko atona panapa vakomana veZNA voissue a statement vachiti aiwa isusu hatina kumbotaura kana kumbopinda kana kuva part and parcel panhau aiwa dzecoup iri kuplanwa nevakomana anga veterans. Sanavina mashoko mudanirwa panapa nogwa subscribe like on the bell icon. Timira Mzimu anokudanira chiti this comes amid growing internal rifts within the ruling ZANU-PF party and escalating tensions between Mnangagwa and his deputy VP Chiwenga. ZNA spokesperson Ophius Makutori told ZVAITWA that he was unaware of any officers involved in the alleged coup attempt. Which offer and on what subject issues? He questioned, before adding, I don't comment on such issues since I am no longer in that office. Kindly contact Defense Headquarters. His response follows a statement released by an anonymous group claiming to represent sections of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. The group, speaking in a military-style declaration, accused President Mnangagwa of orchestrating the assassinations of a high-ranking army general and warned of impending action to protect the constitution from counter-revolutionary gangsters. The coup threats come in the wake of controversial statement by Blessed Geza, a war veteran and ZANU-PF Central Committee member with strong ties to security forces. Geza has repeatedly alleged that Mnangagwa, his family, and their close allies were corrupt and are destroying the country. His outburst have fueled speculation that discontent within the security sector is reaching a breaking point. Geza has also been vocal about the ongoing power struggle between Idi and Chiwenga. Ndo mashoko anobuda panapa tiona kuti vakomana veZNA panapa vauya vachidismisa mashoko ekunzi aiwa they are taking part aiwa panhau aiwa military coup panapa, asi kunyangewa zvavo vanhu vachiziva kuti inside aiwa muma-army officers people they know what is in their hearts, just because even vana Geza vakauya vakadismisa vakati muchiona vana even vanotungamirira nyika vachienda nemarolls royce kubasa, how do you feel semi muri ma-workmates ake kana ma-closemates ake? Panapa people they really know the truth, but the top leadership ndoinenge yakapindwa zvayo. Tudze mafunguro eimoti kundi pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section medu. Subscribe or like, jump on the bell icon.